I built Astro Advanced Analytics because I got very frustrated with the conventional tools needed to do wholesale analysis. Basically, you'll need at least minimum three tools to do wholesale analysis. You'll need a scanner, which finds ASINs. You'll then go to the Amazon listing after the scanner and look at listings one by one. You'd need a profit calculator on the listing. You'll need something that detects IP issues, and you'd need something that shows historic data on ASINs. Astro performs all these functions and it's only one tool. It's your product analysis engine. After performing a scan, you can then get a full breakdown in the one view and not have to go to other places to view products. You can see the full product listing details. You can see your profitability. You can see all the chart data that you'd need to see the historic performance of the ASIN. You can see an offer breakdown, every single offer on the listing. You can see their pricing. You can see their stock levels. You can also see the percentage of the buy box that they've won. Astro gathers hundreds of data points from every single Amazon listing. It puts them together, and with a simple hover over, you can see all the data points for each and every single category. Furthermore, these data points are then scored, and then you can also filter by these scores. Astro has a multitude of filters, which helps you break down and get to the products that make sense according to your purchasing needs. After you filter your winners, send them to a shortlist. In the shortlist section, you can see if you're eligible to sell the products with just a simple click. Then you can decide how many units you want to purchase of each ASIN and start forming your order. When everything is ready and you're happy with the order, go ahead and click download purchase order. Download that purchase order and just send it off to your supplier. It turns weeks of product research into just a couple of hours. The more wholesale price lists that you can process, the higher your chances of success. If your competitors are processing one list a day, but you have Astro and you're processing 5 lists a day and doing full analysis on these ASINs, then you will 5x your performance and your competitors will be left in the dust. Go to astroadvancedanalytics.com and start your free trial today.